What's up, everyone? I know it's been a while since I posted. Figured I'd give you guys an update. Hope everyone's doing good out there. The reason we took a break was we kind of hit this weird plateau with the car. You know, we've been doing a lot of tuning on it, figuring it out. Car is officially an E85, thanks to Jason Nye, the tuner guy. Old Jason Dillard out here pounding that laptop, getting us squared away. And actually, recently we had a personal best. Car's doing great. So on to the next thing. We wanted to really figure out what's going on with that suspension. As you've seen, every single pass over the past year or so, the car's just kind of bouncing, unsettling, and it's really got me questioning what's going on there. So we don't know if it's within the tune, we don't know if it's in the suspension or something else. So reached out to the guys at Aldan American and let them know, you know, I'm struggling with this, and I don't know if it's bad suspension. I don't know if it's the way I have it set up. We tried a few tuning things, and you know, I can only do so much with that single adjustable suspension. So stay talking with Garrett over there for a while, and he said, you're right, if you could be patient. They're coming out with a new line at the moment, which is a double adjustable specifically for the Corvettes. There's new bracketry, there's a new design coming out, and lo and behold, a few weeks later, had mine show up. So what they did was they gave me somewhat of a partial sponsorship. So we're in a new partnership with Aldan American, which is fantastic. So in the next few weeks, you'll be seeing us rep a lot of their stuff. So as of right now, the update is I got double adjustables for the front and back of the car. We changed up the spring rate. And with this, it should give us a little more leeway in terms of our tuning. Now, with that being said, it's a whole learning curve. You're gonna see that we have another video of us doing the install, and then I'll have another one of how to set it up, because within both, it's a lot of work and it's also a lot of time and patience. We're gonna get the car rebalanced, we're gonna get the car aligned, and then start hitting the tracks. We got LS Fest in a few weeks. Got some friends coming out that are gonna act as, you know, somewhat of a pit crew. We'll try and get you guys some more videos. But until then, I just wanted to go and introduce, you know, we have something big coming out. You know, Aldan, they make sure and they provide tons of stuff, not only for newer cars, but also classic cars. You know, I was thumbing through some of their brochures and whatnot, and it really got me thinking, you know, there's so many possibilities with the suspension that they have, the adjustability and the focus on performance. And just scrolling through a couple of these cars that are within here, there's a few of these ones that I've actually seen, and man, they're top performers. So next year we may do something maybe along the lines of the Chevelle. We'll see. But for right now, we're going to get started with at least we're going to try and get the one situated on the Vette. And good news is, you know, it's gone smoothly so far. We had small hiccups, but that's more of a install issue, and I've been giving proper feedback to the folks at Aldan. So just wanted to give everybody kind of a heads up of what's going on, and introduce, you know, Aldan American to what we got going on. They're really trying to push to help me go faster, and by doing so, you know, I've repped their product for the past 2 years. You know, the car doesn't make a lot of horsepower, but when we're pulling those 1.5 and 1.6 60 foots, you can't go wrong. It means something's working within that suspension. And I think in the near future, you know, we'll have consistent 1.5 60 foots and really get us where we need to be for giving us that competitive edge and some of the races we're doing. So like I said, very pumped about it. Glad to be part of that. This new venture that we're going on. I'm gonna see if I can be repping a few more things of their stuff. I'll reach out to them, see if we get us some more shirts, maybe some stickers and additional type of merch or something like that. If you're interested, hit me up. I'll post a link below in the video and also in the comments, so that way hit them up. You know, Garrett out there has been amazing for support, direction, and even how to get things set up, not only on my car, but others. So feel free to reach out. I can answer some questions, but if I can't, we can always get out to the guys over at Aldan, and they'll make sure and get you set up. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll have more updates in the near future. I'll try and put some plugs in here of what we've been looking at, what the new products look like. And as I get the new video edit and whatnot. I'll get that one posted up, so that way if there's any questions, feel free to ask. I also with this new bracketry, I can answer a lot of the questions in terms of setting it up and whatnot, and also balancing the car. I should have another video on that soon. But yeah, exciting times, plenty more to come, and we'll see you on the next video. All right, thanks for watching.